Hi and welcome back to Cotton Creations. So today I am bringing you another hair tutorial, and I've been wanting to do this style with the ponytail sleeve for quite some time. So I'm going to do it today, and that's a half up half down style, just to show you guys another option. So if you're interested in this video, please stay tuned, but make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on the next awesome video. Let's hop into it. There's one thing that I want to point out about the ponytail sleeve. It is extremely stretchy and it has a lot of stretch to it. However, you have to make your cardstock paper cone wide enough to stretch it out to fit your braid. Let's face it, we all have different hair. Some people have thick hair, some people have fine hair, some people have different texture hair, curly, wavy, straight, all of it. So in order to get the best fit, you have to either roll your cardstock paper around your braid or roll it first and then slide your braid into it to make sure that it's the right size so that you have the best fit. Because once you add the hair to your ponytail sleeve, that thread or glue will lock in however far you've stretched it or haven't stretched it. And if you have a thicker braid, then you need a little bit more stretch, and it could result in you having a too snug ponytail if you don't stretch it out prior to construction. So I hope that helps. So I know a couple people have reached out about that, so hopefully that helps, and I'll probably do a tutorial on how to properly measure out your braid with your cardstock paper so that your ponytail can be the perfect fit. All right, let's hop into this half up, half down. So I'm just gonna braid my hair down so I can go ahead and sew the hair onto the back part of my hair. And of course, I'm going to be using the ponytail sleeve for the half up ponytail. So that's what it looks like. Just going to roll my cardstock paper. And this is the step that I was explaining in the beginning of the video. You want to make sure it's wide enough for your braid. So then you can either sew the hair onto your ponytail sleeve, or you can glue it onto your ponytail sleeve. Next, I'm just going to braid my hair up, and I'm going to use the rubber band method today instead of the rapid strip. And then I'm just going to simply slide the ponytail sleeve right onto my braid, secure it with the drawstring, and then I'm just going to take a little piece of hair and wrap around the base, and that's going to be held using the Got To Be spray, and that's it. And here's the final look. And remember, the ponytail sleeves can be purchased at www.ponytailsleeve.com, and they are available in black and beige. Alright, so what did you guys think of this tutorial and this hairstyle? Please drop me a comment down below in the comment section to let me know what you guys think. And if you like this video, you already know what to do. Give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this one, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching.